Meaning of forth.
Fourth.
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 Fourth. Fourth is a term with several meanings depending on its context. As an adverb, fourth means moving forward or outward from a starting point. As a noun, fourth refers to a riverbank or an open space. As a verb, fourth means to come out or be brought out from a source, often referring to the act of expressing thoughts or feelings. Overall, fourth conveys a sense of movement, progression, and emergence. Its usage is often found in literature and poetry to evoke a sense of dynamism and vitality.